Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you honest reviews of the latest gadgets and gizmos on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of organization with the TYPONOS P21 Label Maker machine with tape. Let's see if this tiny powerhouse lives up to its promises. First off, let's talk portability. The TYPONOS P21 is half the weight and size of traditional label makers, making it perfect for on-the-go use. Whether you're labeling files in the office or organizing your pantry at home, this compact label maker has got you covered. But it's not just about size. This label maker packs a punch when it comes to functionality. With its Bluetooth connectivity and user-friendly app, you have access to over 90 fonts, 10 languages, and 450 materials. That means you can customize your labels with text, QR codes, barcodes, and more. And let's talk about print quality. Thanks to its 203 dpi resolution, the labels come out crisp and clear every time. Plus, with a print speed of up to 30 mm per second, you won't be waiting around for your labels to finish printing. Now, let's address compatibility. The TYPONOS P21 Label Maker case is specifically designed to fit this label maker, with a detachable hand strap for easy carrying. And inside, there's plenty of room for your label print paper, USB cable, and other accessories. But perhaps the best part? No ink or toner needed. This label maker uses thermal printing technology, saving you money in the long run. In conclusion, the TYPONOS P21 Label Maker machine with tape is a game-changer when it comes to organization. It's compact, versatile, and produces high-quality labels with ease. Whether you're a busy professional or a home organizer extraordinaire, this label maker is sure to streamline your life. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews from Product Critique. Until next time, stay organized.